Welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So today what we have in the shop is a beautiful X4M competition. So from here you can see that the car has already fitted with our Akrapovic exhaust system. So what we are doing today is an Eventuri carbon air intake upgrade. So right over here, these are the Eventuri parts that we are going to fit onto the X4M, and as you can see, it consists a number of components engineered to perform a specific purpose and fabricated to the highest standard. So first of all, we have this carbon fiber airbox lid, then also we have the carbon fiber air scoops, and lastly we have 4 pieces of this direct replacement high flow air filters for the X4M. So basically these are the parts that is going into the X4M. Alright, so now before we install the Eventuri carbon air intakes, we will have a sound check of how the factory airbox and the filters sounds on the X4M. And now the mechanics is working on to remove the factory parts from the car. So this Eventuri carbon intake is quite simple installation. It's very straightforward. It will just take you maybe an hour or so to install the parts. So after we remove the factory engine cover, and right underneath that part, these are the factory filters for the X4M. So later we'll replace these 4 pieces of the filter with Eventuri's high flow air filters. Then once we install the Eventuri filters, we will put on the Eventuri carbon airbox lid, which is the engine cover. Here we can see the difference between the factory engine cover and the Eventuri engine cover. So of course this one is carbon fiber. Then once later we install the filters, we'll put on this carbon engine cover onto the car. While for this carbon air scoops, it's actually installed behind the front grills so that it can collect the air to flow into the intake. Instead of completely redesign the entire air intake system, so what Eventuri did is they actually focus on improving the OEM airbox with less restrictive flow and also improved temperature efficiency. So what they have done is they developed this replacement drop-in filters that is made out of non-woven mesh, which have a much higher flow rate as compared to these factory paper filters, so that it helps to reduce the inlet air temperatures and also force the air into the airbox that they designed with a large front scoop which sits behind the grills. This is one of a very few X4M competitions in Malaysia, and our client has did some upgrades on his car. So basically the car now is running our Akrapovic full exhaust system and also the carbon rear diffuser from Akrapovic as well to complete the package. Then also he has added some of the M performance parts, as you can see on the car. So on the rear we have the ducktail spoiler, then to the side we have this M performance carbon side mirror cover. Also on the fender, these are carbon fiber, and on the front we can see that the owner has already changed this carbon fiber front grille, original and performance parts. Then the bumper inserts, also this little piece of front lip on the bumper area. So yeah, basically these are the upgrades that he has done on the car, and now he came for the Eventuri intake upgrade. Alright, so we have installed the Eventuri carbon air intake for our client's X4M, and it takes just about 1.5 hours for the installation process. It's very simple, straightforward. So let us know in the comment section below, what do you think about this Eventuri carbon air intake on the X4M? How does it sound, and also how does it looks like on the car with this engine cover. Entire part is made out of carbon fiber material. Definitely it looks way better compared to the factory engine cover. So this carbon engine cover matches well with the carbon strut and also the front grille. Also, do let us know what you think about this beautiful Akrapovic exhaust on the X4M. How does it sound and how does it looks on the car, especially with the beautiful carbon fiber rear diffuser installed on the X4M. If you like our content, remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.